There was one great Sharana. It is described in the Basava Puranam, chapter 3, page 97, for whoever want to check it out. His name was Rudra Pashupati. And let's not get confused with the Rudra Pashupati that is present, Rudra Pashupati Nayanar of Periya Puranam. He is a different Rudra Pashupati who was eternally chanting Rudram. But this Rudra Pashupati is described as a different personality who is present in the Basava Purana, page 97. So it's a very, very interesting story. Rudra Pashupati, he comes across a reader of the Puranas one day. He comes to a village and that person was quoting the story of Mahadeva drinking the poison. And after hearing that, he goes into tears. And then he asks the reader of the Puranas, what happened to Mahadeva after he drank the poison? And then the reader says, I don't know what happened to him, but we all know that he drank the poison. And then Rudra Pashupati, he rolls on the mud. He just he cries like anything. Oh, my Mahadeva has drank the poison. How can I take this? And then he starts saying, oh Parvati, you are the wife of Mahadeva, right? You are his other half. You are on his left side. Can't you stop him? Oh Veerabhadra, you destroyed the Daksha Yajna. Why can't you stop him? Oh Ganesha, Kartikeya, what are you guys doing? Oh Nandi, what are you doing? Maybe you don't have Mahadeva, you don't have a mother and father to guide you. He says, you don't have a mother and father. If you had a mother and father, then they would have guided you. Would they have ever allowed you to drink a poison? That's how Veja Mahadevi starts. Veja Mahadevi engages in Vatsalya Bhavam to Mahadeva, thinking that, you apply Bhasma all over your body, you drank the poison. If you ever had a mother, would that mother allow you to drink the poison? So let me become the mother of Mahadeva. That's how. And here our Rudra Pashupati also says, you don't have a mother. And that's why, if you ever had a mother, would she have ever allowed you to drink the poison? Brahma and Vishnu, they are trying to cheat you. They cannot do this activity and they are trying to cheat you. Oh Mahadeva, please don't drink the poison. And he starts blabbering like this. And then he's not able to withstand. This is the example of unadulterated, unflinching love, guys. He hears that my Mahadeva has drank the poison. I cannot withstand this anymore. This is the attitude of a devotee. Completely goes into that. He starts thinking that supreme reality as a person. And then he says he's about to leave his life. I cannot withstand this anymore. I cannot anymore. And he's about to leave his life. He's about to suicide. And then Mahadeva appears. Parashakti, along with Shuddha Spatika Sankasham, Trinetram Panchavaktakam, Gangadaram, Dashabhujam, Sarva, Varana Bhushitam. It's not just Mahadeva. Mahadeva, along with Parashakti in the left lap of Mahadeva, divine scene, Ganesha, Kartikeya, and Nandi. And to the left of Mahadeva is Lakshmi and Vishnu on Garuda. And to the right of Mahadeva is Saraswati and Brahma on a swan. And Indra and Indrani on Airavata. And all the Koti Rudra Ganas are serving Mahadeva. This is the exact scene that was seen by Upamanyu Maharshi in Anushasana Parvam, 14th chapter of Mahabharata. It was seen by Krishna in the 25th chapter of Kurma Purana. It was seen by Rama in Shiva Gita. It was seen by Dadichi Maharshi. It was seen by Shvetashvatara Maharshi. This exact scene of Samba Shiva on the middle and along with Parashakti. To the left is Lakshmi and Vishnu chanting Rudradhyaya to Mahadeva, and Saraswati and Brahma are doing the same thing on the right. And then he appears and then he falls at the feet of Mahadeva. And then he looks at Mahadeva's throat. Rudra Pashupati. He looks at the throat of Mahadeva. Oh Mahadeva, I see the poison in your neck. I can't even imagine what will happen to you if it goes down to your stomach, oh Mahadeva. I cannot withstand that. Is an example of unadulterated love. And then Mahadeva says, my son, don't worry, nothing will happen to you. And then Rudra Pashupati challenges Mahadeva. I know, I will not believe you. I will not trust you, Mahadeva. We go and command Mahadeva, right? We command Mahadeva. If we Jivas, we Baddha Jivas, we say, we do Anga Pradakshanam. I will do Anga Pradakshanam for you. I will offer milk, ghee and curd, everything for you. And you have to give me in this. You have to give me in return these things. We demand Mahadeva. We command Mahadeva in this way. But here, our dear Rudra Pashupati is commanding Mahadeva out of unadulterated, unflinching love. Hey Mahadeva, I will not trust you. You will have to spit that poison. And then Mahadeva asks what boon you want. And then he says, I don't want anything. You have to spit that poison right away. Huh? That is the only boon I want. And then nothing will happen to me, my child. And then Rudra Pashupati Nayanar, Rudra Pashupati doesn't believe him. You have to spit that poison. You are the giver of boons. You can give the post of Indra, Brahma and Vishnu. So this is what I want. You have to spit that poison. And Parashakti is totally confused what to do. And Brahma and Vishnu are trembling. Why? Because if he spits the poison, it will destroy the entire universe, including Brahma and Vishnu. We saw that in this chapter of Brahmanda Purana, Vayu Purana, Kurma Purana, that it destroyed the entire Patala Lokam till Vaikuntham, everything was destroyed. Vishnu turned black. Brahma was also affected. Indra was also affected. They were trembling. Brahma and Vishnu were trembling along with Indra on the sides. They don't know what to do. Now if he spits the poison, Devi was thinking, now if he spits the poison, the universe along with Brahma, Vishnu, Indra will be destroyed. Now if he keeps the poison on the throat, his dear devotee Rudra Pashupati will leave his life. So, and then Mahadeva comes, oh dear child, so please listen to me. Nothing is going to happen to me. I promise on your feet. He says that. See, Mahadeva is Bhakta Vatsala. Bhaktam Bhaktanam. He becomes the Bhakta of his Bhaktas. That feet of Mahadeva, still Brahma and Vishnu are searching for. That Mahadeva is promising, is say, I promise on your feet, O Rudra Pashupati. He becomes the Bhakta of his Bhakta. It will make you melt when you read that. I promise on your feet, O my child, nothing is going to happen to me. And then he will say, oh Rudra Pashupati, come and sit on my thighs. That thigh of Mahadeva, where actually Ganesha and Kartikeya are sitting. Ganesha is sitting in the thigh of Mahadeva. Kartikeya is sitting on the thigh of Mahadeva. Parashakti is sitting on the left thigh of Mahadeva. That thigh of Mahadeva, Rudra Pashupati gets a chance to sit on the right thigh of Mahadeva. Come, my child, sit on my thigh. Just keep watching my throat. If you see any movement, if you see one movement of the poison up or down, I'll promise you I'll spit the poison. And then Rudra Pashupati says, out of unadulterated love, still he is not ready to believe. I don't believe you, Mahadeva, but still you have told this many times. And you should also take care of the Devas, because the Devas are like, if you spit the poison, it will affect this entire universe. I understand that. I still don't believe you. And he will take a sword and keep it on his neck. He says, Mahadeva, if I see one movement, just one movement of that poison up or down, I will just insert this knife, insert this sword in my neck, and I'll lose my life. This he says out of unadulterated, unflinching love. And he goes back to Parakailasha. Very related to this story, very beautiful story. He completely goes, Rudra Pashupati, we see that, he completely goes into that katha. And he thinks, okay, Mahadeva to be a person. My Mahadeva has drunk the poison. Something is going to happen to him. Nothing should happen to him. This is the example of a devotee. So, there are many, like 770, 800 Sharanas have come. And then also 63 Nayanmars are there. 1000 devotees are there. Everyone have experienced some kind of bhava with Mahadeva. Shanta, Dasya, Sakya, Vatsalya, Madhurya, Virya. Like Rudra Pashupati is an example of Virya. He commands Mahadeva out of unadulterated love.